back to chasing trophies. The Sunrisers Hyderabad have qualified for the playoffs for an incredible game of cricket. It was a good wicket, challenging wicket for both teams. And with them, Gujarat Titans have qualified as well. बहुत जबरदस्त मैच था भाई. Faiz is joining me as well. Ishan Kishan under pressure, Henrik Klassen under pressure. Incredible batting. Pat Cummins, the captain, picking up 3 wickets. A brilliant spell from him as well. Making sure, at one stage it looked like CSK would cross 200 very easily, but he pulled things back. It was good captaincy. There was a couple of bowlers that were targeted, NKR in particular, but apart from that, I think SRH did a good job to restrict Chennai under 180. But then we had, unlike SRH power play, losing only 1 wicket but only hitting 45, 44 runs, which is not usual. Either we're 30 for 5 or we are 100 for no loss, which is a bit confusing. But then today they were locked in. Henrik Klassen was locked in. Ishan Kishan was locked in. They took the challenge. Kishan was rotating the strike. Klassen was doing the hitting. He plays spin, amazing, one of the best players of spin. And Faiz joining me. Faiz, what a performance, man, today.
Bhai, like what a game, first of all. I mean, the first half it looked like it's going to slow down and tension हो रही थी कि भाई चेन्नई का 180 जरा तगड़ा लग रहा था एक टाइम पे, but then जिस तरीके से Pat Cummins with the ball, the fielder, the leader, जबरदस्त. And I mean playoffs, man, ये यहाँ पे काफी लोग हमारे को didn't expect us to be here, and I mean I don't blame anyone. Let it be like the opposition as well, they undermined us, but that's what it is. Like Sunrisers revamping this season and doing many things. Pat Cummins coming, Ishan Kishan, man, this guy is phenomenal. Ishan Kishan, जो captain भी करा हमारे को, and then also he still giving tips to Pat and him are still discussing things. So it's the माहौल of this team is so beautiful to see. Like जिस तरीके से सबको respect and responsibility साथ, and Saqib will also like giving me inputs. Like everybody is free to talk, everybody is free to advise, and playoffs, man, I cannot wait. I mean, RCB still is there. That's a big game for me personally. I want us to win that game and go up into the top 2. That'll always give you that extra cushion. But eliminator से भी हम ज़्यादा अनजान नहीं हैं, वहाँ से भी जीत के हैं हम IPL. But अभी बड़ी बात तो होगा, but at least I'm happy right now.
And the best thing is today, आप like conditions आपके लिए challenging थे, आपको game थोड़ा सा बदलना था ना, adapt करें. आपके players भी दिखाए कि भाई हम adapt कर सकते हैं. हाँ, एक दो players Travis and Abhishek उन लोग अपना natural game खेलेंगे, but that is the message from the dugout कि you try and get us off to a start. If you can't, we will adapt. And for adapting, you've got 2 class players in the middle order. That is Ishan Kishan and Henrik Klassen. They were outstanding today, man. And how they soaked the pressure in, and ये wicket turn हो रही थी. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं आज चलो ठीक है बाद में ड्यू आया, but जब Klassen आया बैटिंग करने के लिए मैच बहुत फंसा हुआ था. It was in Chennai's favor, the game, to be very honest with you. You needed 100 of 50 delivery, something like that. Like the equation was between bat and between runs and balls was like around 40-50, which was a big equation. And on that pitch it looked like it was dying. There wasn't much, but then yes, slowly the due came. But the way Henrik Klassen was using his feet, the way he's so strong on his back foot, he was hitting sixes and timing भी अच्छी हो गई उसकी. Obviously drop catch हुआ एक, and that really helped. And वो catch अगर लेते हैं शायद चेन्नई जीतती match. It was a crucial catch, but Spencer Johnson tried his best. वो कभी they stick, sometimes they don't. But it was crazy, man. It was outstanding. And another good thing is like we used to win a lot of games in the power play, but now we won a game without the power play, and that really like gave me the confidence.
100%. That just shows कि भाई this is the range that Sunrisers Hyderabad possesses, and Travis Head and Abhishek Sharma के अलावा भी दुनिया आ चुकी है हमारे पास. All the up till Salil Arora,
क्या छक्का था.
हाँ, up till there वहाँ पे थोड़ा confidence आ गया है with the bat, with the ball. There are places where we are getting a little stuck, but like Pat Cummins again, the post-match notes जो आप पढ़े, so I'm very confident. He said, देखो भाई, yes, this is a very good occasion, but now the test starts. Now the focus momentum starts, and we have certain areas that we have to improve of. He's not letting them enjoy, but also reminding them what the main goal is, and that is the trophy. And 100% भाई हमारी range काफी बढ़ गई. Post power play, the middle order stability is there. You see Klassen with an orange cap right now. With disable middle order में आके जो तरीके से उन्हें खेल रहा है and stuff, and a quick 46 of 26 or something like that, 47 of 26. Ishan Kishan के साथ managing, and Ishan Kishan का best thing is पूरे match का ये कि he was there till the very end and left it on a plate for the finishers.
Yeah, 100%, man. And everyone got a slice of the cake. Salil came and hit. NKR got a couple of boundaries here and there, and everyone contributed. And even the bowling wise, देखो bowling मेरे हिसाब से जिस तरीके से साकिब हुसैन bowling कर रहा है यार, उन्हें पूरा season पलटा दिया. I think that was the game changing or season changing change that they made. They got Saaqib Hussain in, and the way he's bowled with so much maturity, so much accuracy, he's understanding the batsman's plans and he's adjusting accordingly. His variation, the super is a very very skillful bowler. He has pace as well. I think Hingia still has a lot to learn, but he did bowl decent in periods in this season. But Saqib has he's bowled on different level, and we didn't expect that. The way he's complemented the likes of Pat Cummins, the way he's complemented the other bowlers has been incredible. Today, NK had a bad game, but overall, NK has also improved his bowling.
Yes.
Shivang also, he's impressed me quite a bit this season. And we have options. If you don't want to play Hinge, you can still go with Harsh Dubey, जाके I think playoffs में.
अगर उससे ज़्यादा भी चाहे तो
Zishan Ansari भी है. And यार मेरे को तो नहीं लगा playoff आने वाले, तो आगे playoff, that's incredible. Now this is like in 13 seasons, this is the 8th time Sunrisers have made it to the playoffs, and that is crazy. Under Warner, they made a lot of playoffs. Under Pat Cummins, this is our second playoff in 3 seasons.
Yes.
So that is outstanding. And not many people expected us, to be this kind of team, especially 2-3 years ago. The way Pat Cummins has changed his team, outstanding. And we also have to give a shout out to Daniel Vettori. I think Vettori and Pat Cummins, they have that jodi from Australia, and the way they've implemented the thing. And Faiz also mentioned this, the life that Pat Cummins is the type of guy, like he's very relaxed. He has a good when they need to be serious, they're serious. It's not like that. Today Klassen was locked in. He wasn't messing around at all. Ishan Kishan was locked in. But the environment is such, like Gujarat के बाद चलो ठीक है नहीं मारे तो नहीं मारे. Public पागल हो जाती है. ऐसा कैसा करते cricket 80 all out हो गए 80 all out हो गए. But he's not like that. He's like, chalo, theek hai. Even we say to a certain extent, "Arey, aisi batting kyun karna? Zaruri hai." We are so stressed out, like, Faiz on the ventilator. I'm like, walking around. But he's like so chill, bro. Like, you see, he's always laughing. He's having a smile. And that is the thing. Like, for him, it's just a game, and he's smart about it as well.
That's how you perceive the game, and I think he just looks at cricket as like an odds game, right? Like today, the odds were in our favor. We do well. If it's not, it's not. It's a bad day. It's a one-off, and that's what you need in a leader. You need that, calmness to stir from there, and that's what we're going to hopefully wanting to do. So that's what it is like about Pat Cummins. कि भाई calmness उनके तरफ से आती है भाई. The whole team feels a little bit more under, वो responsibility इसको दे दो, इन्हें संभाल लेता है, and then whatever advice he needs, he'll take. He'll ask everybody, and everybody feels that कि भाई हमारे को भी value कर रहे हो. साथ ही साथ he just knows situations को कैसा पढ़ना. He knows कि भाई odds देख लेता हूँ कि अभी मेरे को ये मैच जीते तो अच्छा है, अगर नहीं जीते तो भी उन्हें इतना काम रहता कि आरसीबी में भी जीत सकते. तो he knows that he had 3 opportunities at the cake. We struggle because we want it as quick as possible, but he knows that I have 3 games as a leader. I have to make my calm. And
do you think if this was not a game which was on the line, that we've approached the chase differently, or once the pitch dictated us to play like this?
I think the pitch dictated us, because you could see with Travis Head and Abhishek Sharma, the style of play that we go with, certainly they were not able to advocate that. And
but then Ishan Kishan Klassen actually adjusted, do you think, or like
the wicket got better, right? The dew came in, the wicket got better. Klassen showed us like covers के ऊपर से भी मारा, long levers, power से भी थोड़े निकाल लिया उन्हें. And then the one of legs पे Ishan Kishan को मिल गया.
Because Kishan was very cautious. Like normally he'll also go for it. He was very cautious when it was doing a bit before the dew came in. So I mean, I guess the pitch dictates that as well. But at the same time, they were like, man, I think we need to win this game. The celebration was crazy in the end as well from Ishan Kishan. I really enjoyed that. That guy is my favorite player now, man. After that celebration, what a player! And the whole team, I think it's great. Like it's a good environment. I think जो बाहर के लोग ज़्यादा गुस्से में आते as compared to the team or the fans, or like fans भी enjoy करते. चलो ठीक है, हम भी गुस्से में आते कभी-कभी, but we don't take it as seriously as maybe other IPL teams. Like oh my God, we're gonna lose, we're gonna win. We go enjoy. Last year also we lost. We went to the Maldives. We cheered.
Yeah, I think वो अपना brand of cricket ऐसा मतलब है that we are the initiators, so we know how these kind. Now a lot of fans of Hyderabad have understood कि भाई ये मरो या करो वाले से. हाँ, there are conventional fans who will be like अरे भाई कैसा मारते हो soccer. But जब करते it looks very beautiful. When it doesn't happen, then I think we understood that tide. That when it comes off, it'll be 250. When it doesn't, probably be like an 86 kind of a day. But you have to keep believing in this captain, and this captain has really made us believe in this franchise. Like the captain gives you this next level confidence.
And like that's the thing, and with the management along with the captain, it's imprinted in the whole team. Pat Cummins was not here for half the season. Sunrisers started their 6-win run with Ishan Kishan as captain. They won 3 in a row, I think, with him. So that goes to show that even if Pat Cummins is not there, that thing, and that is obviously Pat Cummins को ही tribute है कि he's made the team like that along with Vettori, that मैं नहीं हूँ तो भी मैं चलाऊंगा. ऐसी team में there's a system, and everyone understands the assignment. Now the in-game thing, Ishan Kishan learned that. Like he lost the first 2-3 games, whatever, but then they made a change in the personnel, and then he learned how to manage the players and everything. And he did a fantastic job as well. Like let's not forget that if he lost even one of those 3 games, we might have been struggling to make it to the playoffs. So those 3 wins are very important. And then Pat Cummins came and he knows what to do. Like Faiz said, he understands the odds, he understands everything. But when he's not there, the team still managed with an inexperienced
and that
captain.
is where आपकी बात बिल्कुल सही है, that Vittori. That
Yeah.
is where that other part of the calmness comes.
Yeah. Vittori, I mean, Vittori is there, but like also the on decision calls that they're making, they're like a unit. Abhishek comes and helps him. Klassen will come and talk as well.
And it's not like Vittori shouting on the balcony.
Yeah, that's the thing, right? Like I really like that, and I don't mind. Look, at the end of the day, last year we didn't make it to the playoffs, but like it was all right. Now we didn't. Now we made it to the playoffs. It's even better. It feels really good. But it's a good, happy franchise so far. And touch wood, like there's been problems in the past, but it was a lot of fun. And yeah, like from Chennai's point of view, I would just say like a few words is that I think they had a good season, man. Like people are very hard on them. I don't like Chennai Super Kings, but I'll tell you honestly, they're a team in transition. अभी तो transition शुरू हुआ, लोग पूरे 2 सीजन नहीं यार. Last season जडेजा अश्विन सब थे, वहां पे धोनी भी था. अभी ये सीजन पहला सीजन है धोनी के बिना, तो टाइम लगेगा भाई. संजू सैमसन भी like he's had some really good innings. Gaikwad has not batted well. I think that is a problem, but he's capped it well. He's uses bowlers well. अब आदि उनके इंजर हो गए यार. जो भी आ रहा है इंजर हो जा. खलील अच्छा दादरा उन्हें चले आ रहा है. एलिस उससे पहले आउट हो जा रहा. Overton भी चले गया. So they've had a lot of injuries. Brevis, apart from today, hasn't had the best of season. So apart from all that, they still managed to make it to the this kind of stage, fifth, sixth. So I think it's a decent season.
100% a decent season for them. They got the understanding of how Sanju Samson will fit in this, and I think he's fit aptly in this system. Brevis maybe came a little bit off guard this season, but I think today he tried to step it up. Shivam Dube a little off color at times, but there is a vision. I think that's what you have to understand. That they established this last year, like so I said, transition में है. साथ ही साथ धोनी का थोड़ा up down situation चलते जा रहा था. No one very sure about his availability. But now they've understood that without Dhoni they can manage to play games and win games and come to almost what you call a playoff spot. And that is the positive side. Maybe they look to give Sanju the leadership next year. Maybe they drop Ruturaj, get a better Indian top order. You don't know Mumbai Indian में कौन निकल गया था. Maybe Hardik Pandya, something can happen next season. But yeah, CSK from where they start off, if you just Mumbai Indians or CSK because they're 5-5, there's no other reason of me putting them there. But Mumbai's team is much better, but CSK outperformed.
Yeah, 100%. Taken RCB spot, we need to play for that, and we need to play for the 4th spot. Any team can come in, so do tune in with Chasing Trophies. We'll get you the latest updates for that. But the news from here is that SRH has qualified and they've taken GT with them into the playoffs. Thank you, Faiz. Thank you, everybody, for joining. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and do leave a comment as well. Take care. Bye bye.